Welcome back, everyone. Welcome to this guided meditation for sleep. Today, we're going to explore some powerful techniques that will help you fall asleep faster and get the restful sleep your body needs. Meditation is a practice that has been used for thousands of years to promote physical and mental well-being. It involves focusing your attention on a specific object, such as your breath or a mantra, in order to quiet the mind and relax the body. One of the most powerful tools in meditation is the breath. By focusing on your breath, you can bring your mind and body into a state of calm and relaxation. In this guided meditation, we'll be using specific breathing exercises to help you let go of stress and tension, and prepare your body and mind for a deep and restful sleep. But before we get started, let's take a moment to talk about some of the benefits of meditation and breathing exercises for sleep. First of all, meditation can help reduce stress and anxiety, which are two of the biggest culprits when it comes to keeping us awake at night. When we're stressed or anxious, our bodies release a hormone called cortisol, which can keep us alert and awake, even when we're exhausted. By practicing meditation and breathing exercises, we can reduce the levels of cortisol in our bodies and promote the release of other hormones, such as serotonin and melatonin, which can help us feel calm and relaxed. In addition to reducing stress and anxiety, meditation and breathing exercises can also help improve our sleep quality. By quieting the mind and relaxing the body, we can promote deeper and more restful sleep, which can leave us feeling refreshed and energized in the morning. So if you're ready to experience the benefits of meditation and breathing exercises for sleep, let's get started. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed, and make yourself comfortable. We'll begin with some simple breathing exercises to help you relax and focus your mind. As we mentioned earlier, breathing exercises are a powerful tool in meditation. They can help bring your body and mind into a state of calm and relaxation, and prepare you for a restful sleep. So let's begin with a simple breathing exercise that you can practice anytime, anywhere. Close your eyes, and take a deep breath in through your nose. Feel the air fill your lungs, and hold your breath for a moment. Then, exhale slowly through your mouth, feeling your body relax and let go of any tension. As you exhale, imagine all your worries and stresses flowing out of your body, carried away by the breath. And as you inhale, imagine a wave of peace and relaxation washing over you. Let's try that again. Inhale deeply through your nose, and feel your belly expand. Hold your breath for a moment. And then exhale slowly through your mouth, feeling your belly deflate. As you exhale, imagine yourself sinking deeper into a state of relaxation. And as you inhale, imagine all the tension and stress in your body melting away. Now, let's try a slightly different breathing exercise. This one is called 4-7-8 breathing. And it's a great way to calm your mind and body when you're feeling anxious or stressed. To practice 4-7-8 breathing, start by exhaling completely through your mouth, making a whooshing sound. Then, close your mouth and inhale quietly through your nose to a mental count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 7. And then exhale completely through your mouth to a count of 8, making another whooshing sound. Repeat this cycle 3 more times, for a total of 4 breaths. Let's try it together. Exhale completely through your mouth, making a whooshing sound. Then, inhale quietly through your nose to a count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 7. And then exhale completely through your mouth to a count of 8. And again, inhale quietly through your nose to a count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 7. And then exhale completely through your mouth to a count of 8. Feel free to continue this cycle for as long as you like, until you feel calm and relaxed. Breathing exercises like these are a great way to calm your mind and body, and prepare yourself for a restful sleep. So take a few moments now to focus on your breath, and let yourself relax and let go of any tension or stress. Now that we've practiced some breathing exercises, we're ready to begin our guided meditation. This meditation is designed to help you let go of any worries or stress from the day, and prepare your mind and body for a restful sleep. So let's begin. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this a few times, feeling your body and mind begin to relax. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of the air moving in and out of your body. Don't try to change anything about your breath, just observe it. As you focus on your breath, imagine a wave of relaxation washing over your body. Feel your muscles begin to loosen and relax, starting at the top of your head and moving down to your toes. Now, imagine that you're standing in a peaceful meadow, surrounded by tall grasses and wildflowers. The sun is setting in the distance, painting the sky with shades of orange and pink. You feel safe and protected in this peaceful place. As you stand in this meadow, imagine that you're holding a basket. This basket represents all the worries and stress from your day. One by one, take each worry out of your mind and place it in the basket. Release it from your mind and let it go. As you place each worry in the basket, feel the weight on your mind and body lift. You feel lighter and more relaxed with each worry you release. When you've placed all your worries in the basket, imagine tying a string around the top to close it. Visualize yourself setting the basket down on the ground and walking away from it. As you walk away from the basket, feel the sense of peace and calm wash over you. You're free from the worries and stress of the day, and you can focus on being present in this peaceful meadow. Take a few more deep breaths, feeling the relaxation spread throughout your body. Imagine yourself sinking deeper and deeper into a state of relaxation. Now, imagine that you're lying in a comfortable bed. The blankets are soft and warm, and you feel completely safe and relaxed. You're ready to drift off into a deep and restful sleep. As you lie in bed, imagine that you're surrounded by a warm, comforting light. This light represents the love and support of the universe. You are safe and protected, surrounded by love. Allow yourself to drift off into a deep and restful sleep. Feel your body sinking deeper and deeper into relaxation with each breath. When you wake up in the morning, you'll feel refreshed and energized, ready to take on a new day. Take a few more deep breaths, and when you're ready, gently open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed this guided meditation for sleep. Remember, practicing meditation and breathing exercises can be a powerful tool for improving your sleep and overall well-being. Leave a comment below and let us know how this meditation worked for you. And be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and notification icon, as we build a community of support and wellness. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.